India has seen its lowest daily rise in coronavirus cases in nearly 6 months, bringing some much-needed relief for states that have seen a sharp spike in cases in November. But it's not the time to be complacent. The new concern for the administration and India's national Covid-19 task force now is the new mutant strain traced in the UK.
Is the worst of coronavirus over in India? India recorded 18,732 cases today, its lowest in nearly 6 months. The last time cases were this low was on July 1st when 18,653 cases were recorded. India has been reporting less than 30,000 daily cases for last 2 weeks. India's recovery rate is over 95%, while its death rate is less than 2%. And nearly 10 lakh tests are being conducted daily. India's cases have been declining, while the US and several European nations have been seeing a surge in cases. India currently has among the lowest new cases per million people. USA tops the list with 572 cases, while India is at 16 cases per million people.
In India, what we have seen is decline in the number of cases and its lowest in July 2020. But it's very difficult to say that worst is over for India, as we have seen that multiple waves have come with increased number of cases, and in between there is a period of less number of cases. And also we have seen in Europe and many other countries where there is a decrease in the number of cases, but then again there is an increase in the number of cases. And also what we are seeing at the moment is the mutant strains, which are again posing a challenge in terms of increased transmission in many countries. But we are not sure at the moment that whether it's causing increase in the severity of the disease or increase in the mortality of the cases. So we have to continue and sustain our efforts in decreasing the number of cases, and we should treat them accordingly.
On Saturday, the National Task Force on Covid-19 held a meeting over the new mutant strain that has been found in UK and discussed surveillance strategies to detect and contain the mutant variant. More than 50 samples of UK returnees are currently under sequencing at 6 labs across the country. The task force also agreed for the need of routine genomic surveillance to track different strains of coronavirus. Even apart from UK returnees, samples of 5% of positive cases from all states and union territories will be sent for genome sequencing. A genomic surveillance consortium called INSACOG has been formed under the leadership of National Centre for Disease Control. While an approval on vaccines for emergency use authorization is still awaited, a dry run to assess the vaccination preparations will be conducted across 4 states on Monday and Tuesday. These 4 states are Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Gujarat and Punjab. In New Delhi, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.